Did you know your Octant rewards can do more than just grow your wallet? They can make a real difference in the world. Choose to keep them for yourself or donate to meaningful causes. Either way, your rewards are working for you and the world. Choosing to keep your rewards means growing your savings easily. As your block tokens increase, so do your ETH rewards, helping you build more value over time. When you donate, your rewards enter a transparent funding mechanism that efficiently manages and distributes funds. With just a small amount of ETH, you can support impactful projects like clean energy, education, and tech for good. And the best part? The more people who join in, the greater the impact we can make together. Getting started with Octant is simple. Here's how you can join. Visit Octant.app. Connect your wallet. Start earning and making an impact. You can also explore the tutorial videos on their platform to guide you every step of the way. Give your token a purpose and earn. Simple. It is open to everyone.